Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Volkswagen Polo 2002 to 2009? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems.
Engine compartment fuse box.
The engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2002 to 2009 version 1 contains high amperage fuses that protect critical systems such as the ABS, cooling fan, and power steering. It ensures the safe distribution of electrical power to essential engine and safety components. The engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2002 to 2009 version 2 manages and protects essential electrical systems such as the ABS, ECU, cooling fan, and fuel system. It includes high amperage fuses and relays, ensuring safe operation of key engine and safety functions. The layout supports quick diagnostics and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2002 to 2009 controls and safeguards interior electrical components such as the lighting, wipers, radio, power windows, and central locking. It contains low to medium amperage fuses organized for easy identification. This fuse box supports routine diagnostics and quick replacement of blown fuses. Its design ensures efficient protection of cabin electronics. The relay panel fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2002 to 2009 houses various relays that control key systems like the fuel pump, ignition, indicators, and heater. It works alongside other fuse boxes to manage high-load switching operations. The relays are clearly labeled for easier troubleshooting and replacement. This panel ensures stable electrical function for essential vehicle operations.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, A Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.